What you doing? OMG. Okay, Beeper, you can stay on my head. Oh, did you make it? Wow. Sorry we didn't make any videos today. I was really busy redoing the countertop because it was, oh, you guys seen it. It was capital U ugly. It was bad. Ta-da! What do we think? Isn't it gonna be so much better? I love it. Like, this is so pretty. So much better than how it was before. It was like so stained out, yellow tinged. Now it's just beautiful again. I hope you guys are having a good night. I just want to stop in and say hi to everybody and tell you why I wasn't on today. Hey, that was a lot of work, and the babies were going crazy because they didn't know what to think of all the plastic being torn, and it was scaring them. And well, I was cutting it, I wasn't tearing it. But it was pretty traumatic. They were all like flying around. Anything new scares them. So somebody said Furby's toenails need to be clipped. It looks like yours need to be clipped too. You can climb trees. I used to cut their nails all the time. I forget why we stopped. Your clippers are in the drawer. I'll have to dig them out tomorrow and see who's gonna let me clip their nails. I don't think anybody's gonna actually let me cut their toenails. Like, I think they would need to be sedated at this point. Like, they would freak out. Beautiful lemon drop. He clips his own toenails. As you can see, one he clipped really short. He has no toenail on that toe. Isn't that beautiful? That's why I got the grinding stones, so they can grind their toenails on that. Tomorrow we gotta clean the cages. You got poop on your perch. That'll be tomorrow's activity. Cleaning cages. Woohoo! Always, always. We are staying busy. I got a new top from Dee Dee's. I like it. Alrighty. Well, let me know what you guys are up to today. Bye!